Good day, ma'am. My name is John Ray P. Agumyong. My topic I chose is Article 6. So, Article 6 is everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. So every human being, no matter who they are or where they are, must be treated as a person with legal rights and responsibility. It's ensured that no one can be denied their legal identity or human status in the eyes of the law. So, for example, if someone is arrested or mistreated, they still have the right to defend themselves in court and be treated as a legal person. So, even refugees or stateless individuals must still be recognized as persons who have human rights. So, that is the Article 6. So, this means that everyone individuals must be acknowledged and respected as a person with legal rights and protection under the law, no matter where they are in the world. So, simple meaning, you are a legal person that law must see you, protect you, and treats you as someone who has rights. So, no one can deny that you exist or take away your rights to recognized by the law. So, for example, if a person moves to another country, that country's laws must still recognize them as a person with rights. So, like the right to work, to own property, or to get help from the police or court. So meaning everyone human being has the rights to a legal identity. So the law must treat everyone equally and fairly regardless of nationality, race, gender, or social status. These rights protects people from being ignored or erased by governments or societies. For example, from being detained without identity, denied a passport, or treated as if they have no rights. So it's ensured that everyone can go to court on property, get protections, and accountable under the law. So that is the meaning of Article 6. And the main purpose of this article is to ensure equality and justice by guaranteeing that everyone is recognized as a person before the law. So it prevents discrimination, abuse, injustice. So it upholds the idea that no one shall be denied their rights or treated as if they do not exist. So this recognition is the foundation for all other rights. So because without being acknowledged as a person before the law, one cannot claim or defend any legal rights. So for example, a refugee who leaves their home country should still be treated as a person. So, under the law in the new country, they cannot be ignored or treated as if they have no rights because Article 6 see everyone must be recognized as a person before the law. So, the main goal of this article is to guarantee legal identity and equality it means. So, every person should be seen as someone who has rights and responsibility under the law. So, no one can be treated as if they don't exist or as if they have no rights. So, it prevents discrimination, oppression, or unfair treatment by governments or other people. So, that is the Article 6, and that's all, ma'am. Thank you. And